Struggling with frequent bathroom trips, weak flow, or that never quite empty feeling? This is your 21-day Prostate Reset Action Plan, a step-by-step blueprint to calm inflammation, improve urinary flow, and rebuild confidence. We focus on food, movement, micro-routines, and sleep, the daily levers that add up fast. Quick safety note: if you have severe pain, fever, chills, blood in urine, or can't pass urine, seek medical care immediately. In 21 days, you can't cure everything, but you can reduce nighttime bathroom trips, improve stream strength, and feel more in control. We'll work in 3 weekly phases: inflammation flush, flow accelerator, and confidence builder. Print or screenshot the daily checklist and the progress tracker at the end. Each morning, begin with 1 glass of warm lemon water and 1 TBSP ground flaxseed. Hydration plus soluble fiber equals gentler digestion, better bowel regularity, and a nudge toward lower inflammation. This week, replace red meat with salmon or plant proteins at least 4 times. Think: salmon bowls, lentil stews, tofu stir-fries, or chickpea salads. Your prostate loves omega-3s and fiber. 1 hour before bed, sip chamomile or nettle root tea. Both are classic choices for calming the system and supporting the urinary tract. After each meal, walk 10 minutes. These tiny walks improve blood sugar stability and help reduce nocturnal urges. Your Phase 1 checklist: 2-3 liters of filtered water, 1 serving of cruciferous veggies daily, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts. Avoid alcohol and processed sugars completely this week. Add pelvic floor activations, Kegels, 3 sets of 10 twice daily. Engage like you're stopping urine midstream. Exhale as you gently lift, release fully. Don't over-squeeze. Quality beats intensity. Eat 2 Brazil nuts daily for selenium, and get zinc from pumpkin seeds, beans, or a balanced diet. Micronutrients matter for hormone and prostate balance. Add 15-20 minutes of brisk walking or cycling 4x week. You're training the vascular system that supplies the prostate and pelvic floor. Cap the day with box breathing, 4-4-4-4, and 5 minutes of journaling. Lower cortisol, calmer bladder signals, and better sleep. Your Phase 2 checklist: 1 cup green tea or turmeric tea in the morning. No caffeine after 2 p.m. Track nighttime bathroom trips to measure progress. Blend a smoothie: spinach, blueberries, flaxseed, and plant protein. Easy fiber plus polyphenols plus steady energy. Build lunch around lean proteins plus whole grains plus crucifers. For example, grilled salmon, quinoa, kale salad with olive oil and lemon. Add 2 days of resistance training: push-ups, bodyweight squats, rows, or band pulls. Strong legs and hips support pelvic stability and urinary control. End the day with gratitude journaling and, if applicable, partner connection: a chat, walk, or shared laugh. Emotional safety lowers stress chemistry that aggravates symptoms. Your Phase 3 checklist: 7-8 hours of deep sleep. Optional: saw palmetto plus zinc if it fits your plan. Clear supplements with your clinician. Light stretching plus 5 minutes deep breathing before bed. Start a checklist and fill it out. Track, don't guess. Day 1. Starting point: nighttime bathroom trips. Energy, 110. Stress, 110. Day 7. Check-in: nighttime trips. Flow strength. Overall confidence. Day 14. Check-in: nighttime trips. Flow strength. Overall confidence. Day 21. Results: nighttime trips. Flow strength. Overall confidence. For added support, many men consider a prostate-friendly supplement stack. Commonly saw palmetto, pumpkin seed oil, and zinc. But keep your healthcare professional in the loop, especially if you take medications. Repeat this 21-day reset every 2-3 months for maintenance. Keep tracking meals and symptoms. You'll see patterns fast. And share your results with your doctor. Your data speeds up smart decisions. You don't need complexity. You need consistency. Eat anti-inflammatory foods, hydrate, walk after meals, train your pelvic floor, lift twice a week, breathe at night, and protect your sleep. That's how you reduce discomfort, restore flow, and rebuild confidence. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tell me where you're starting. Day 1 begins now.